Salud, everyone. This is the Maxbot channel. Once again I want to show you a review from my subscriber. Watch the screen. This trader quickly improved his results by starting with a small investment. He reached the top with the help of a smart robot that you can pick up for free right now. The link below the video. In a month you will only be able to get this neural network for a fee, so I advise you to hurry up. The bot shares highly accurate signals. I will be very happy with your likes and comments. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell, friends. More to come. Now I'm going to make 2 trades with the help of artificial intelligence. I chose the euro-pound currency pair. 5 minutes is the expiration time. The robot gave me a recommendation very quickly. Active buy. 11 indicators are glowing green, signaling a high potential of buyers. The periodicity of data updates in the bot is 1 minute. I see on the price movement chart in the past hour a positive dynamic for the bulls. They saturated the market powerfully, they often broke to the upside, although sometimes the price went into moments of consolidation. Sometimes it went down a bit, but then a new spurt followed. I think that the accumulated potential will allow the buyers to raise the price a bit more. Guys, get the bot right now if you haven't already done so. Free of charge. Also by the link in the description you will get access to VIP chat with signals and market analysis from me. Also you will get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. I accelerated the price movement for easy viewing and to save your time. Let's start with the basics. Not the hype. Let's start with what actually keeps you in this game long enough to succeed. Money management. If you're trading without it, it's not trading. It's roulette in disguise. Here's what every professional, every funded trader, every long-term winner knows. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single trade. Let's break it down. If your deposit is $100, you should only be risking $1 per trade. That gets you around 80 cents profit per win. With $1,000, your trade size jumps to $10, and your potential per trade becomes $8. At $10,000, your trades are at $100, and you're locking in $80 per win. Same logic, same setup. The difference? Capital. That's why I say, if you're serious about making real money in this space, you have to fund your account like it's a business. The bigger the deposit, the bigger the income with the same level of risk. Because growing with discipline always beats gambling with emotion. Now let's talk about what this video's really about. What to do when trading feels like it's not working. When the charts feel like they're fighting you. When every setup breaks. When the losses feel personal. When you've watched every tutorial, followed every pro, tried every new strategy on your screen, and you're still not getting the results you want. And that voice creeps in. This isn't for me. I'm not good enough. I can't do this. Let me stop you right there. That moment, that exact moment, is where most people quit. And that's the moment you need to push through. I just did. Yeah, the bot did a great job. The money went into my pocket. Now it's time for night trading. Australian dollar, Swiss franc OTC. I quickly get a new signal. 3 seconds. The bot is very fast. Okay, signals higher. Maxbot is a tool with which you will really start to earn. Passability of its signals on average 80%. Look at the channel with reviews. How much people earn, the link in the description. The big advantage of this neural network is that the bot can analyze the OTC market and give a profit on weekends, holidays, late hours of the day, whenever you can earn. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The terms are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. You ever watch Creed? There's a scene where Adonis is getting beat down in the ring. He's on the ropes. He's bleeding. And Rocky's yelling at him, "You're not just fighting him. You're fighting you." That's trading. It's not you versus the chart. It's you versus your fear, your doubt, your need to win right now. Trading is 20% analysis and 80% emotional control. Let's go pop culture one more time. You know Tony Stark in Iron Man? He didn't build the perfect suit overnight. He failed. Version 1 exploded. Version 2 glitched. Version 3 almost got him killed. But each time, he refined. He studied what went wrong. He rebuilt smarter. He didn't quit. That's how you need to treat your trading journey. You're building your suit, and each blown trade, each dumb entry, each over-leveraged mistake, that's just another part of your version 1. The winners you see now, the influencers, the educators, the ones pulling profits with confidence, they didn't start there. They just refused to stop when it got ugly. You think Serena Williams never lost? You think Steve Jobs didn't get fired from the company he founded? You think Kanye didn't hear "you'll never make it 1,000 times"? Failure is part of the formula. And in trading, where psychology meets strategy, failure is the tuition you pay for the skills that eventually make you profitable. So here's what you need to know. Losing doesn't make you a loser. Quitting does. You're not bad at trading, you're just in the learning phase. Money management protects you from disaster while you grow. Bigger deposits give you room to scale safely. Your breakthrough always comes after the breakdown. I've just finished work, folks. I've made a profit again. 2 sniper-accurate predictions from Maxbot. $1,700 in total profits. Get the bot if you haven't already. It's free. Link below the video. Subscribe and press the bell, because I'll be back soon. Bye.